Hey guys, this is Daniel, and today at school, some helicopters are flying in. Let's go watch them. Right behind me is it's called the Jet Engine Honeywell T53. It was used during a Desert Storm. Nice. Your boy's going off into the war. Hi.
You gonna let other people have fun?
Yes.
No, you're letting him grab?
No.
Alright, I'm getting back in my seat.
That's my teacher.
Okay, I call shot.
Dang, it doesn't work. Down here in the field is an attack helicopter.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I'm cool.
Alright, cool. My name's Kendrick. How many of y'all been down here today? Oh, well, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so I'm part of Celebrate Freedom Foundation. We come here to talk about STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math. This is a what? Science class? Science class. Where y'all in science?
Biochemistry.
In chemistry. Why do you think that's important to me? And this is, like I said, this is a two-way conversation, right? So, I ain't judging y'all. Why y'all think science and biology and all that green stuff is important to me?
Because it's a part of STEM. The first thing of STEM is science.
Yeah, it's part of STEM, but I'm talking about me as a pilot. Yeah, it is a little hot. I got my room sleeve. So, why is it important to me? Oh my God. Where he been? Anybody tell him where he was? Welcome. Come on up here. Come on. You get it. You get the premier seat. All right, check this out. So the question was, why do you think science is important to me? What y'all are learning right now? Why is it important to me? You do science. I do science. All right, so look, now y'all gonna make me tell the story of the 3 little pigs.
No,
Do it.
What do you know about the 3 little pigs? Oh no, I don't know. Well, Wolfen did what? They built houses. No. So, number 1 little wolf, little pig, what happened?
He was getting eaten. He ate. He got ate. He got eaten.
He got eaten because he built the house out of straw.
Straw.
Yep.
Fact like this don't make a house out of straw.
And blew it down, right? Number 2 little pig got ate by the wolf. Why? Because he built this out of sticks. Number 3
Didn't get eaten by the wolf.
didn't get eaten by the wolf. Why?
Because it made out of sand, bricks.
The basis of what I'm telling you is you think science isn't irrelevant, but it is. It's irrelevant in everything you do because you're in high school now, right? Are all y'all in high school, or we got some middle schoolers in the bunch?
High schoolers.
All high schoolers. All right, great.
Well, some of them us act like.
This is your last step. And in high school, you're building the foundation of what you're going to learn and what you're going to grow off of for the rest of your life, for the rest of your career. So your general understanding of science right now needs to be just that. You need to understand it. You need to pay attention to your teacher because you're building the foundation of what you're going to be learning on for the rest of your life. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So that's why science is important to y'all right now and why y'all should be eager about it, because eventually you're going to go to college or you're going to pick up a trade career that you're going to be required to know a little bit about science, right?
Right.
So, number 3 little pig built this out of bricks. Only way you can build that is by having a solid foundation. And that's what y'all need, is that solid educational foundation. And science is part of it. Because it's going to affect you for the rest of your lives. Am I good about that?
Yeah, you're good.
Did I tell him anything wrong yet?
Nope.
All right, now we got some more people in this group. Y'all want to inform them of the rules?
No.
Dang, y'all just nuts. Y'all just hanging them out there. All right, so what questions do y'all have?
You fly it? You fly it?
Yep. I flew it in. I'm not flying it out. Why? It's because
Just because?
I'm scared of heights.
Wait, how are you piloting and you're afraid of heights?
I'm controlling it. I control how high it goes.
If you want to, at the end, you can come get me and I'll fly it out for you.
Yeah, fly into a building. Yeah. Fly into a mountain.
Fly right into that.
Kobe.
How much temperature can they
Kobe.
It can take a lot. It can take a lot. Yep. So I did high altitude training in Colorado. And I landed on the top of mountains. It was negative 20 degrees Celsius. Or negative 10 degrees Celsius, sorry. It was
How cold is that?
Huh?
What degrees in Fahrenheit is that?
Too cold for me. But the helicopter still was flying. There was no moisture up there because it all frozen. It's crazy. All right, what questions y'all have?
When was this thing used?
Yes, I am a maintenance test pilot. So I did my first 10 years in the military as an aircraft electrician. And then I got tired of pilots bringing back broke. So then I went to flight school. And I've been flying for 19 years now. Or no, 9 years now. No. All right, so we're going to talk about math. I did 10 years as an electrician. And then I've been flying for the last 9, meaning I wasn't an electrician. So that's 19 years total, right?
This guy he's the pilot of this thing.
That's right.
So can you ask me a couple, if I ask you a couple questions, you can answer it, but.
Yep.
I only asked you a couple questions earlier, like earlier this year, earlier today, but when was this baby thing built?
All right, it was 80. It's an 80 model AH1 car.
You said it was made during the Vietnam.
Yep. The original design came from the Vietnam War, and then it's been modernized since then. And this particular airframe was last manufactured in the 80s.
This thing's ancient.
It is. All right. Okay.
Well, thanks, sir.
All right, y'all. Come on in.
This is cool. Yeah, he sees choppers. My friend Lorenzo.
We see choppers, man. We see choppers, you know what I'm saying? Can't show my face, but yo,
Yeah.
we talk.
Yeah. Hey, yo.